Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Would you like to meet my new best friend? This is a selfie stick from ULCLAYRUS, and this is a beautiful aluminum alloy selfie stick that I can take with me wherever I go. The selfie stick is made out of that beautiful aluminum alloy material in comparison to plastic that might not feel as durable and may not always stand up straight. The stand extends to 5 feet, and what I really like about it is that the gripper part at the top for any 4 to 7 inch phone, it really holds onto the phone so well. The stand compactly fits into a beautiful carrying case that it came with, so you can keep this as a spare in your car or safely stowed away at home. The stand extends very beautifully, and it even has a remote that you can use. So if you're on your own, you don't have to worry about having someone to touch the camera. It's so convenient to be able to have the stand, whether it's fully extended to a full height or to just be holding on with your hand and still be able to use that feature. Your friends may not know what this is when you first take it out, but you will be the star of the show if you're able to take group photos no matter where you go. I love that this has become my perfect best friend, whether it's fully extended or in its easy carrying state. But that's just my point of view.